Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video I have done pretty sure every year for the past like 5 or 6 years since it started being a trend. It's not really even like a thing anymore, but I feel like it's tradition to do it, so here I am. I'm going to be trying on cheap swimsuits. I am 8 months pregnant this week, so I actually did this video when I was pregnant with Cove like 2 years ago. If you guys can hear her screaming. It's just like fun to look back on and see like what I looked like with a belly and everything. I'm gonna be 32 weeks this week, which is crazy. This pregnancy is going by so fast. Anyways, I'm gonna be trying out cheap swimsuits. I got all these from Shein. I got some great deals for some super cute stuff, so I have like the prices and everything in front of me. I'm gonna show you guys what I got and I'll try everything on and kind of just see how it looks. And I don't really have that high of hope for how it's gonna look or how anything's gonna fit because I already took one of these swimsuits with me on a trip recently. I should have filmed this video a couple weeks ago. I like had this stuff and I went on like 2 trips, and then now I'm like gonna be home for a while. Like I don't really have anything planned, so I have like nowhere to even wear these besides just like the pool, I guess. But I took this one on my last trip with me and it was so small. So I guess let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so this first set that I got is actually 3 pieces. I was so excited. I was like, oh, this looks so cute. This was $11.15, so super inexpensive. And it's like colorful, super trendy for the season. What everybody has been doing lately is like you wear your swimsuit top upside down. So it has like these details on the top part. So instead of just wearing it like this, you wear it like upside down. And then when I was wearing it, I crossed the front. So that's how I'll try it on for you guys. I ordered a medium thinking like maybe that would work. It really doesn't. I'll just let you guys see. All right, so this is the first one. Like I said, I have it like worn upside down and then I crossed it. The medium definitely is too small. Like my boobs really are not big and they don't get that much bigger when I'm like actually pregnant. But this top, which again, I'm wearing it the wrong way, it is so small. Like something is gonna be falling out of here. But I think this print is so cute. This is like one of my top favorite ones that I got. And this skirt, I just realized this thing is like up here. And honestly, I'm just too lazy to go and like, I don't even know how I would get that out of here. So it was cute when it was all like ruched up. I don't even know. But this skirt's super cute. If you don't have a belly, it would be super extra cute. But this is what my belly currently looks like. There's a huge baby in there and Cove actually came at 38 weeks. So I might only have like, was that 6 weeks? Literally can't do math. Pregnancy brain is real. But yeah, who knows how many weeks I have left. So this skirt does not fit, right? Like if I move at all, it is like totally up. So I guess I'll take it off so you guys can see like the actual swim bottoms too. Like I said, the medium's probably gonna be a no, but I think a large might have fit better. But I do like the low rise bottoms, just like the normal bottoms when I'm pregnant, just because they're like the most comfy. So this one I am gonna overall give a thumbs up. I did not get the right size, but this one I think is super cute. Okay, that's the only one that I knew what it looked like and had already opened it. The rest of these I ordered literally probably like a month ago, so I've had them. Cannot remember what I got at all, but I know that I got some super cute stuff. So I'll try this one on next. This one is so cute. This green color is like everywhere. So this one I got for, oh wait, that looks like it's gonna be really cute. I'm looking at the picture. This one was $6.86. Wait, why is it only the top? The top was $6. Please tell me I ordered the bottom. Oh, good. Okay, I also have the bottom, which was $5.15. So I got a large in the bottom and a medium in the top. So maybe that will be good. We'll see. But this is like the cutest print. I'm way excited to try this one on. This looks like it's gonna be so cute. Okay, I love this one and it fits way better. The bottoms, like I said, I got in a large and I actually should probably tighten them because they're like a little bit big. But this one is nice because it actually can tighten, whereas the other one like didn't have any adjustments like this. I got some funky prints. You guys know I usually like more neutrals and pastels, so I think this is one of my favorite ones. I think it's so cute. I feel like the medium and the top fits really well. And this one is also going to be a thumbs up. I love this one. And now I need to go swimming because I have nowhere to wear this to. Okay, pretty much everything that I got is like a funky print because that's just so in this year. So this one is like the most bright and colorful one I think that I got. The pattern is like really crazy. So this whole set was $10.30. So I'll probably put this one upside down again just because, you know, trying to be trendy. And then these bottoms, I think most of the bottoms that I got are like low rise, like more skimpy like this. Last time I had high-waisted bottoms, which is what I typically wear, but with a belly it just like does not work and hurts. So I'm gonna try this one on for you guys. Okay, I feel like I might have to blur some things for this one. I don't know how people wear these and like feel comfortable and don't feel like their whole butt is hanging out. Thought I was gonna like this one, and I do like that I can adjust it, but I don't know. This one is like a little too not enough fabric for me. It looks so cute on other people when they like wear these and have them like pulled up really high, but on me right now, even on me if I was not pregnant, I don't think I could do this one. The print is so fun, but I didn't end up crossing the top on this one like I thought I was going to. I do have it on upside down though, just because I like this little detail to be on the top. But even for this one, this top is a medium, and if your boobs are same size as mine or bigger, I feel like anybody might need like a large. There's not like enough surface area covering the areas for me in terms of like how much fabric is on these. Super cute, but this one, I don't know if I want to give it a thumbs down because I knew it was gonna like be like this. I saw the picture of it, but I think just the fit, I don't know, I can't really get into it. So this is the first one that I don't love so far. Okay, so this is a one piece that I got in a size large. So this one was $11.15. We'll see if this fits my belly. Based on looking at the picture, it's not like super high cut on the sides. I don't know, that kind of looks high cut to me, which just like does not really work that well with a pregnant belly, but nice cute print. Honestly, all of these feel nice. Shein is like hit or miss with their quality sometimes. Like if it's not that expensive, you can obviously tell, but like especially this one, like so far these have all felt really nice. So I'll link these exact ones that I got down below, but I think this one is gonna be a winner. All right, here is that nice full coverage one piece. I actually really like this one. I think it fits nice, and this wasn't my favorite print, but now that I have it on, I think it's so cute, and I love the top, how it's kind of like square and just like really straight, and there's a lot of room to actually like adjust these because there's so many like things back here. So when I first put it on, it like felt really short. It feels like it fits okay. The back is cute, and yeah, I just like messed with it for a little bit to like loosen everything up. I feel like my butt is covered, which is a good feeling, and it's not too high like up on the sides right here. It's like a little bit high maybe, but not too bad. So I cannot believe how big my belly is. It's so weird to be pregnant again because I feel like I was just pregnant. Cove's birthday is actually tomorrow from when I'm filming this, so I'm gonna have a 2-year-old, which is so crazy. But yeah, I like this one. So this one is also a thumbs up. Okay, this next one was $12.87. I feel like this one looks a little bit different than the picture, like it's a little bit brighter, but this is another 3-piece set like the first one. So basically I already know that it's like not gonna fit, but I think this piece is a little bit different. So I have higher hopes because the other one is actually a skirt, and this one is like you can like tie it into whatever size you need, which is good because the last one just like did not fit and did not stay up. But this one I'm just gonna put on regular because I don't think you even could really put this one upside down. This one might take me a second to figure out, but we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. These same style bottoms, I feel like if you're pregnant, these are your friend because high-waisted just doesn't work out as well. So let's go ahead and try on this last one. All right, so this one might be a little bit of a fail, not my favorite. I was thinking I was really gonna like this one. I do like how this skirt is different than the other one because I can like actually adjust it, but at the same time I don't really know how to wear it, so this is kind of just like how I have it for now. I'm not even gonna take it off to show the bottoms because they're the same skimpier style as the other one that I showed that I thought I would like because they're just like can be really loose and comfy and adjustable, and adjustment is good, but again they're just like too small, like not enough fabric for my body for me personally. But the skirt's nice because you can put it over that, and then this top, I really like the style in the picture, but it's not that comfy. This is what the back looks like. I'm like pretty sure that I have it on right, but it kind of just feels like it's falling off. I could maybe tighten it a little bit more I guess, but having it over here just feels a little bit weird. So if you don't think you would mind that, I do recommend this one because I think it's cute, and I think they had like 3 different prints of this, maybe like different colors. For me, I think sadly I might give this one a thumbs down just because I feel like not comfortable in it, and I don't really think it's because I'm pregnant, but I just feel like especially this, like the straps, it just makes me feel like it's gonna fall off, and I wish that I could tighten it more like on the front, but it's already really close together. So this one probably thumbs down. Still really cute, but I don't know, I just don't like how it really fits on me. Okay, so those are all of the swim swimsuits that I got. Had some good ones, had some other ones that were super cute, but just like not really my favorite. So again, I'll have those linked down below if you guys want to shop them. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I think for my next one, I want to do a what I eat in a day because I haven't done one of those in a while, like pregnant version plus like my toddler too. So let me know if you guys want to see that, and if you have anything else that you want to see. I'm also planning on doing an updated what's in my hospital bag video in a couple of weeks. So those are like what I'm planning on doing next. But let me know if you guys have anything else that you're wanting to see from me. And that is it for today's video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.